Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a analysis for Sunday night, the 8th of July for the coming week. And I wanted to talk about what I'm looking at. I know last week I showed a pretty bearish count. I was looking at, the price to come up here, and then I was looking for a massive sell-off. And I've kind of changed my mind a little bit now. What I'm thinking is this is a corrective move, what I was thinking before, but I think that this is a low that's going to be the low for quite some time. And I think once the market does buy up into this region up here, it's probably going to sell off, but it's not going to penetrate this low here, and then we're headed for higher prices after that. So what I'm really looking for, a WX and then a Y would come next. That's a very complex correction. ABC is a simple zigzag correction, and that's what I'm looking at happening right now. So WX and then ABC makes the Y, and I'm looking for, probably the week after next, the last 2 weeks in July, perhaps the first week in August, we will have a top, and then the market will begin gradually selling down probably to this 1300 and maybe even 1290 level, but 1310 is going to be in place as well. So somewhere in this 20-point range, I think the market's going to stabilize. Right now I am thinking this could be the low, but we could sell down one more time. I was looking at this 1340 area. This is the SPX, the S&P 500 cash chart, and I was just using that because that's what I was doing my analysis on. They're both basically the same, the ES and the S&P cash, and that's what I'm using. So you just have to subtract a couple points if you're going to the ES rather than the cash. But that's kind of what I'm looking at. We could sell down one more time, or it could just, the ES could make a low and this could just kind of stay the same. It could, the ES can make a low and buy up. So, the end of this is close. It may have not come full force yet, but it is close. And then I'm looking for a buy up, and I'm talking, probably, anywhere after between probably the 16th to August 5th, something like that. The 20th. So, somewhere the last 2 weeks, perhaps of July, perhaps the first week of August, I'm looking for somewhere in this range. We're looking at 84 all the way up to 90 on the cash, and then 1400 up to 06. Somewhere here in the cash is what I'm looking for. So, we'll just wait and see what actually does happen in that, and we'll go ahead and go to the ES and see what we're looking at. And you see this is the same thing. We have a W wave, X wave. This is your A, and now we're looking for the B to come in. And so far this is the price is up here. Actually, this is trading hours only. Let's go to extended session. Okay, now it makes a little more sense. This is our A leg. This is our B leg we're looking for. Looks like we'll probably get one more sell off tomorrow, maybe even tonight. Probably going to chop sideways and sell off a little bit tomorrow. That will set up our wave B, and then we'll look for one more buy up into the 1400 region to set the top. And that's what I am looking for. And in the ES, it's going to be somewhere up here, probably 1400, 1390, somewhere in there. Can 1370 be? Yes, it would have to come up here and test again and just show that it's going to roll over. But I do think it's going to make a high, and that's why I would watch the cash here. and we do have a good move left. But a good 30 to 50 point move in the cash. So that's what I'm looking for. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you do, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. You can find me at abusinesswithtrading.com. Have a great night, and I'll see you in the markets. Thanks.